This is an Alice frozen environment with an ice skater, and I want to set the camera to the ice skater's point of view. I would click Setup Scene. Make sure camera was selected in the object tree. From the One Shots menu, select Procedures, move and orient to the adult persons, and I'm going to say get the head. So now the camera is looking at what the adult person is looking at from the head anyway. Now if I set the vehicle, the camera to this, and again select adult persons, get head, wherever the head turns, the camera will also turn. Go back to edit code, create an adult listener where the keyboard is going to add an object mover for the adult person so that when I click on run, as I move the adult person, the camera moves with it. All right, now let's look at an example of how we might use the same techniques in code. So here's the same world. I go to initialize event listeners. And I've already added to the event listener a key press listener that will move the camera back to a starting position marker that I've created in the world. Let me add my object mover method for the ice skater or the adult person. And now what I want to do is I want to add a condition in which the camera will move to the ice skater. So I grab my if statement, pull it up, true. If E is key, I'm going to choose the letter P for person. Select camera from the object menu. Camera move and orient to the adult person's get head, and set the vehicle to the adult person's head. So when I click on the run method and use the arrow keys, we see that the adult person is moving. If I press the letter P, the camera now moves to that position and moves with the adult person. I could also add letter keys to turn her and so forth. And if I press C again, then it goes back.